Okay, so after that, if we have pipe here, some other network pipe crossing this line. So how we will show this in the profile and how we will check the interface. If they are the distance between these two are okay, or they are intersecting some place, they are same elevation, they are passing through same elevation. So this will be the problem. So let's check this one. How to check? First of all, I will draw a stamp line here. So uh, let's divide the screen into two horizontal or two vertical. We can use both. Let's check the vertical. In one, I will zoom the plan. In one, I will zoom the profile. In this area, I will draw. So for that, first of all, I will create a stamp. Let's create a stamp line. First, this is our sanitary. So the next one we will create a stamp. So I will write stamp line A01. From here I will select the stamp saver top surface that is connecting. We did not put a rule or something, so it will be, I don't know where it will become, but it's one practice. So the main road alignment, it's not parallel with the alignment, so we don't need this one. The stamp that I will connect up by the stamp and the essence to the plan. So okay, and here from here this select the one on the first number here in the pipe, anything here select already. And in this area, let's say in this area I cross a pipeline here. As you can see, I created but it's not showing here. Also I will adjust the station. It does not show because I did not select the alignment for that one. So the elevation is mentioned here. As you can see, the elevation. Okay, so first of all, let's check this. If you want to change this to cage basin, this is head wall. Cage basin is here, main hole. From here you can change the size. It will shows like when you click apply, it will show like the cage basin. I did not select this one. Let's select this one. Go to the property and here select cage basin. Apply. Okay. Okay. Now for this one also, so it will be a little bit clear. Now if I want to show this pipe on the profile, I just click on the, I will close this one, click on the pipe and go to draw part in the profile, select the profile, and now as you see it's showing, but it's showing a line, a simple line. It must be like the pipe. If you know the pipe, if we cut this section, it must be like this, not like one line. So to make this line as a pipe, just click here or click on the profile and go to the profile view property. From here, as you can see, this line 1 and this line is a line. We are not working on this, we are working on stamp line. So this pipe, as you can see, there is double line style, the style. And here if I check the style override, I will select the pipe crossing pipe. Okay, apply. Okay. And now as you can see, this the in the shape of the pipe. The next thing, if you want to put the label on it, just go to the innovate table. From here select the pipe, here the single part plan, single part profile, not in plan. Here the profile and description, you can change the anything. From here the structure label, we need pipe label style, we don't need the structure label. actually we need the pipe, not the structure. So we don't need this one. We need profile, length, and description. Okay, crossing pipe. If you want to put crossing pipe, then station it will be the same, like it will where it's passing, it will show. So add and just select this one and close this one, and now you can see this the detail, and this the crossing of the pipe, where it was crossing like 36 of 100 meter pipe, and the detail same like the in the plan, as you can see here. And this is the station, the type elevation, where is crossing bottom elevation. So this is the detail. You can put the labels for anyone who will see, he will understand. Okay, now this is also a dynamic. If you move this to right and left, it will move with this one. If you move here, it will dynamically change the position, because in Civil 3D everything is connected to each other. So let's go to the single. Now let's say we want to check if there is a gap between these two, enough gap that we can pass this one or not. So just select the first line, then click on the interference check and select it, asking for another pipe pass. I select this one. So next select this line here, give any name, check dash 01. Line 1, network 1 is in the sum line. This one we are checking the interface style. If there is interference, it will show some style. You can check it from here, how it will be display, like color here, anything. So also you can see in the plan 3D proximity check criteria. Okay, I want to say that the use resistance 2 meter. If it is between 2 meter, okay, more than 2 meter, okay. If it is not, then it must show the interference. Okay, and click OK. So it says the interference check recreated number of 0, because if you can see here, the distance is more than 2 meter. This 670, 64. And here if you come to the prospector in the pipe network, there is interference, and here you can see check 01, nothing found here. Okay, and also here they are showing which pipe are crossing each other. Okay, and let's move this pipe to distance here, and now you can see here this the check, interference check is become yellow. So when it become yellow, if you check the plan, there is nothing before. Now just right click and return rerun interference, and then it's found one, because it's less than 2 meter, and there is a sign for the interference showing that there is a problem when they are passing in this area. They are intersecting each other, and the minimum distance is less than 2 meter, because I put 2 meter. So it will show you there is a problem. It will show if there are, just move this down again here, and now I will zoom this line here. Now as you can see, it's a rerun, and this say 0, it's a move. So like this you can check the interference if they are intersecting each other, like so. So this was the video about the sanitary pipe. Like this you can create the storm drainage pipe. It's including the manhole cage basin. Generally the manhole are near here, and cage basin outside the. So cage basin are directly connected through the UPVC pipe to manhole. They collecting water, and then here in this place or this place there is manhole. So water are gathering in manhole, and they are then going through the pipe outside, where from where it is going to outside the area of the road. So hopefully you will practice on this video what you learn, what we discuss here. Okay, so this was